Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this video we will discuss about how to compile and run the Java programs on Windows operating system. So before going to that process, this is a new regulation, that is VR23, the first autonomous batch. So the lab name is Object Oriented through Java Lab. First of all, check your syllabus. The syllabus is available in my blog. How to open my blog already know. So open the Google and type my name, Ethosic Gandhi. This is my blog. This blog is related to all programming and computer science, technology, research oriented stuff is available in this blog. That all content is freely available in this blog. So but in this video we completely discuss about the object oriented through Java Lab. So click on this one, close. This is your lab syllabus. Our lab name is object oriented programming through Java. So totally 8 exercises are available. Each and every exercise, again sub programs are available. Exercise 1 2 programs, exercise 2 3 programs, exercise 3 4 programs, like that. Each and every exercise, again sub programs are there. We will see each and every program with execution point of view. So in this blog the speciality is here, this is your program. The solution for this program is also available here. So click on this program link, then automatically it can open. So what is the aim of the program? That is description of the program, that is the explanation of the program. Here the program is available. Then how to compile and run the particular exercise. The output is also displayed here. So here all exercise like that, that is the B exercise 2 also available. The programs or solutions can also available in this blog. So let us start. Before going to the actual Java programs, so first of all, how to compile and run the Java programs. The step-by-step procedure, we can see the one sample program by using the notepad, by using the other text editor. So why you can leave the notepad, why you can go for Sublime text editor, I will explain in this video step-by-step procedure. The first of all, create your folder on your desktop. So how to create a folder already know. Right click on it, new folder. Now type your folder name, that is second IT is my folder name. Second IT 21 is my folder name. So this is my folder name. So first step is open your notepad. So the shortcut for the run is Windows R. Type here notepad. Here the notepad can be opened here. Type the program here. The first, the simple message can be displayed by using the Java. First of all, create a class. How to create a class already know. The class is a keyword. The class name is Netherz is my class name. Now open and close. In the notepad, the open curly braces and closed curly braces can be defined by user. Now the class is created. In the class, the main method is required for the every Java program. So main method, how to create a main method? There is a 3 keywords are there. That is public, static, void, main, string args. There is a variable length array. The main function is created. Simply the main function is created here. Now I want to print simple message, that is system dot out dot println hi, how are you? So this is my message displayed as an output. So after typing the program, so save your program with your class name. Here my class name is Netaji. Just copy this name and click on file, save your program on your folder, save as. My folder is available on my desktop. Click on desktop. This is my folder second IT21. Here we can select all files first. Then what is your class name? The class name is Netaji. So you already know what is my class name. Here the Netaji dot Java. So click on save. So once check your folder. Second IT21 folder consists of Netaji.java file is available. Now how to compile and run the Java programs. For that purpose you can open the consoles, Windows R, CMD, open the console. My folder is available on my desktop. Go to the desktop, cd space change directory. CD means desktop. On the desktop, your folder name, go to that folder, cd change directory to your folder name, second IT21. This is my folder name. In this folder, your program name is Netaji.java. Now the compilation command to remember that javac, what is my program name? Netaji.java. Check it whether there is any errors, warnings. There is no errors, no warnings in your Java program. Now how to execute the Java programs? Java space your file name Netaji or your class name. Now what is the message can be displayed? Hi, how are you? So this is the simple program to type on your notepad. But here in this notepad, here the curly braces is open, this indentation is given by you, everything is responsible by the user. So but here there is no color coding, which one is a keyword, which one is a function. So it is difficult to understand where is the error. So that's why I can choose the one of the best text editor, that is called as a Sublime text editor. If you have, you can directly use it. Otherwise, if you go to internet, click on Google Sublime text editor. Click on this one. This is the best text editor for all programming languages. So click on this one. This is a very lightweight and less memory, maximum 16 MB. Click on download, then automatically download in your system. You can directly double click on this file, next, finish. That is simply install in your system. After installation, type here Sublime text editor. Click on this one. This is your text editor. Here the same program can be typed. Here class name can be taken as ABC. Now open. Here open curly braces can be typed, automatically can generated by closed brace, and automatic indentation can also generate, automatic space automatically taken. Now we can save this program, Ctrl S, otherwise you can click file, save as. So select your desktop, second IT21. What is my class name? abc.java. So try to check it and compare it to the notepad. Here the color coding is available and easy to understand. Here the curly braces, once we can type the open curly braces, automatically the closed curly braces can be generated by the text editor. and automatic indentation can also generated by the text editor. Now if you take main method, no need to type enter, just main, type main, automatically public static void main string aux can be generated automatically. Now I want to print a method system.out.println. So hi Netaji. So this is my simple message. Now go to the console, open run, Windows R, cmd, enter. Then my folder is available on my desktop. Go to the cd space desktop, again cd space, my folder name is secondit21 java c. Now how to compile the Java program? The command is already known, java c. What is my program name? abc.java. There is no errors, no warnings, java space abc. Then hi Netaji, the output is generated. So try to compare, Notepad is better or Sublime Text Editor is better. Ultimately, Sublime Text Editor is easy to understand where is the error, and it is easy to understand what are the keywords, different colors. Main is a function, separate color. System is a predefined class. Out is a statical. Everything is a clearly understand. That's why in this lab, all lab programs are discussed by using a Sublime Text Editor. So I hope everyone is clear why you can leave the Notepad, why you can choose this text editor. So now go to your lab. So what is your first experiment? So this is exercise 1. The first exercise is write a Java program to display the default values of all primitive data types in Java. This is a very simple program, very basic program. You already know what are the basic data types are available in Java. Already, that is byte is first data type, byte, short, int, long, double, float. These are the all data types are available here. So if you go to click on the program explanation, what is the aim of the program? So here the aim of the program is to write a Java program to display the primitive data types. So what are the primitive data types are available? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char. These are the basic data types. So try to understand the concept here first. Byte b is equal to 100. So what is the value if you print system.out.println b, the output is 100. If you give the system.out.println s, the 10,000 as an output. Why it is in a 100 is assigned initialized to b, 10,000 is initialized to s. So these values, if you assign the value or if you initialize the value to the particular variable, that value can be automatically displayed. There is no problem with initializing the variable. Suppose if you not initialize any values to the particular variable, what is the default values are printed by the Java interpreter. So that is the program here. So the default value for byte is 0, short default value is 0, int default value is 0, long default value is 0 ln. So let us try to run this program. So this is your program. So class name can be taken as default demo. Here the data type variable name. Here the b cannot initialize any values. Let us take the same example here. Open the text editor, open new file, Control N, class, the class name is default demo. Now open curly braces, enter. So now first data type is byte. Byte is my basic data type. Variable name is a. So now here this is a is also called as a variable, that is a class, and that is inside the class, outside of the method. So first of all save this program. with your class name, file, save as, desktop, your folder. What is my class name? Default demo dot java dot java. Now check it here. The main consists of class consists of main method, public static void main string args. So how to declare the variable here? Data type, variable name. The first primitive data types in Java is byte. So according to this one, the first data type is byte. So I want to take the byte variable here. So here I want to take the static is a keyword. The static default values are automatically zeros. Now again static. What is the second variable, second data type? Second primitive data type is short b. Again static. The third data type is int c. Again we can take as a static is a keyword. Float can be taken, float variable. I want to take an integer long also there. Long d is a variable name. Static float is my variable data type. E is my variable name. Again I want to take a double is another primitive data type. F. Next any other data type, boolean data type is there. Here byte, int, short, float, double is there. Boolean and char, two more data types are there. Static, boolean, g, static. Last data type is character data type. Char, h is my verb. So here what are the primitive data types in Java? Byte is a one data type, short is another data type, int, long, float, double, boolean, character. So here a cannot having any value initially, b cannot having any value initially, so we cannot initialize any values. So what is the value of a, what is the default value of b, what is the default values of integer c, what is the default value of long variable, that is d, what is the default value of e. So we are not giving any value to these variables. So these are all primitive types, data types with variable names. Let us check what is the first. System.out.println, what is the value of a, default value of byte variable. Again I want to take what is the default value of b, that is a short primitive data type. What is the default value of c, and what is the default value of d, what is the default value of e, and what is the default value of f, what is the default value of g, what is the default value of h. So here try to remember that suppose if you have to initialize the value a is equal to 100, a is equal to 10, then value of a is 10. If you give the value to the b is 100, then the value of b is 100. But try to remember that I am not initializing any value to the variables. Now what is the default value of a? The system or compiler or interpreter can generate any error or any default values. So this is your program. So I want to take all primitive data types in Java and just I want to declare the variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 basic data types are available in Java. So the same, what is the default values of these variables? Let us check. Again, how to compile run this program, let us check it. Windows R cmd. Now my folder is available on my desktop, that's why you can change directory. cd space desktop. My folder name is second it 21 java c. How to compile the Java program? By using the command java c. What is my program name? Default demo.java. Touch it. There is no errors, there is no warnings. Now how to run the Java programs? Java space class name. What is my class name? Default demo. Enter. Now check it here. These are the values. The value of byte is 0, the value of short is default value is 0, the value of integer default values is like that. The values are generated. The last default value for the character is 0. So the same I want to small modifications, that is I count double quotation byte is equals to, now I want to take plus space. Similarly, by default value is completed. Now I want to take short default value is like this. Int default value is plus is a concatenation. The C consists of value and double quotation is treated as in a string. Now I want to take long is equals to, the long default value is D. Similarly, float default value. Similarly here double default value. Double default value plus. Next one is boolean is a default. Boolean is a primitive data type. Boolean is a default. The last one is character default is space. Now save and compile and run the same program. Again compile java c. Every modification, after the modification again compile the Java program. Java space execution. What is my class name? Default demo. Now what is the default value of byte is 0, the default value of short is 0, integer default value is 0, long default value is 0, float default value is 0.0, double default value is 0.0, and boolean default value is false. Character default value is space empty. So this is the first experiment, that is write a Java program, display the default. Whether you are not initializing any values to the particular variables, the default values are treated as like this as an output. So this is your first exercise, the first program. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. The first exercise, the first program, to display the default values of all primitive data types available in Java. Okay, thank you. The next we will discuss about the next class. We can discuss the second program. Thank you.